Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv and welcome to the Kit Hoarder's Stash. Today I've got one that's not overly exciting, but for me, then I'll get into why. And that is this fairly recent release of the 1977 Ford van in Coca-Cola livery. Includes 2 bottle crates and a vending machine. Ooh, okay. You know, I mean, they've made some deal with Coke and they put it all over all these different kits over the past several years. You guys remember the Charger that I reviewed a while back. Anyway, all sorts of really cool stuff that they've done. But here's the fun part. It comes with a vending machine and a couple of crates of Coke. Of course, if you need some Coca-Cola decals, they're right here. Which, a while back, I'll show you guys, I got this set, and I can't remember where it was from, but, and I can't remember the scale, if it's 25th or not, but it was a vending machine. But at the time, I didn't have the Coca-Cola decal, so I kind of had to paint it myself, and yeah, it definitely looks that way. So this will be nice to redo with some of these decals. Let's take a look at this kit. You've got your parts breakdown here on the bottom. I mean, it's a 77 Ford van. Some of you guys have built it, some haven't. This is actually going to make a nice custom van for me. Except for I don't have any of the flares and all that other cool stuff, but hey, we'll find something fun to do with this, trust me. Okay, let's see here. This is another one of those kits that comes in 50,000 different bags, which I hate. Here's your wheels. They're actually pretty decent looking. The Ford wheels. Rear view mirror or side view mirrors there. I won't take the glass out, but you see you got windows in your front and back. The body. Let's take a look at this body. The body actually looks really crisp and clean. It says copyright 2019 copyright on it. But the body is a nice crisp clean body. The door does not open, unfortunately. So customizing the interior, yeah, I can do it, but you won't see a whole lot of it. And here's the chassis pan. Now this one comes with one of the things it touted as being one of the cool parts of this kit. And I must agree, these are so much better than the good old days tires. You got these nice red line, fairly decent tires that, I don't know, they're nice, these red line tires, but they might wind up on a different project. They're actually pretty nice, so, okay. There's those. Looks like we have some fun stuff here. Yeah, so that little vending machine, that must be a 35th scale thing. I just can't remember. I think it was Mang or something like that that I got it from years ago. But here is the vending machine, and you can see this is good, very large size. So yeah, that's definitely like, gosh, I don't even know if that's 35th. That's just tiny. But there's the vending machine, spare tire, and a CB. Got a CB in it. Roof rack. Here's the engine. This thing almost could have really been better off with one of those chassis pans that just had the engine molded in. With no opening doors or anything. And the hump for the transmission. The only way you're going to see this is if you hold it upside down. So I don't even know if this one's getting the engine. How's that? Kind of almost pointless. Ford manifold. Looks like a small block. Your wheel backs. What I would really like is the van from the early 70s that had just kind of the front that went straight down. Those were my favorites from Ford. When they got this kind of a nose on them, I didn't care for them. Okay, here we have a nice looking dashboard and some of the suspension, and then kind of sort of an engine compartment if you decide to open the hood. Steering column, nice differential. Huh, yeah, very nice. Some disc brakes. The exhaust, the chassis, and you can see, yeah, they're nicely molded. Oh, the seats, the hood, fuel tank, taillight buckets, steering wheel. It's funny, the seats have got like 4 parts to them. Interesting, 3 or 4, something like that. They're not just a one-piece seat. And then we have some clear parts that are quite interesting. So here's our Coke bottles in the crates. That kind of a nice greenish color. That's awesome. The front of our vending machine. And look, if we wanted to do some custom little round lights in it, in the van, we could. It's the holdover from I can't remember the one that had a really wild orange, purple paint job on it. Anyway, from many years ago. That's kind of neat, though. And then your taillights. Okay. Let's look at the instructions. Maybe. Oh, your good old AMT instructions. Important. Yeah. Okay. So building the engine that you're not going to see. Chassis parts. Putting the engine, the heater box in that engine compartment, putting it in the front, which looks, engineering wise, looks pretty easy to do. That's nice. Tires and wheels, the interior, the glass, some painting options, and then finally on the back you get the vending machine instructions, and I guess where to put the little Coke decals. So pretty cool. Oh, very nice. These Coke kits, I must admit, I'm not a huge Coke fan, but they're neat. The Model T C cab that they've come out with actually really intrigues me. but they've had some other trucks and whatnot as well. I think one of them even had a hand truck with the vending machine. So here is your big Coca-Cola decals for your vending machine right here, for your cases of those cases. A bunch of really nice decals for the license plates here. Have a good day. So yeah, kind of nice. The decal sheet, I mean, kind of nice. It'll be something that I can use for a lot of other projects. Let's just put it that way. And that is all she wrote. So pretty straightforward for the van. If you just want to build it the way it is and put Coke stuff all over it, great. You can have a nice Coke delivery van. Could have a nice custom Ford van, which is what I will do. But looks like a pretty straightforward build. Just again, not my favorite subject of a van, but it'll wind up somewhere here in the collection. So there you go. That's it today. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you again soon on The Stash.